Use the navigator to select the detail view. Use the Aveva power wheel to select Annotate. Select orthogonal chained dims. Use Filter Snap to select P-point. Select the top left P-point. Then top right. Move the dimensions out. Left-click to position. Repeat the process for the left side vertical dimensions. Select bottom left P-point snap. And top right. And move dimensions out to the left. Use the techniques demonstrated previously to complete the dimensions as shown. Add the title Structural Detail. Save work.